If you are a Bangalorean, then you now the struggle of traffic jam. You now Bangalore traffic is an adventure. It's a time for escape the madness and step into your peaceful 2 BHK haven in Mahadevapura, Bangalore. In this apartment, everything you need is right around the corner. Like malls, IT hubs, markets, metro, etc. Just imagine sipping your morning coffee here. Welcome to your future home, a spacious 2 BHK flat for rent in peaceful Mahadevapura. This is your modular kitchen, is designed for convenience with plenty of storage, a sleek countertop, and plenty of ventilation, with attached utility space for your washing machine fitting. Just moving on to the bedroom. Bathrooms are modern, clean, and ready to use. The flat is semi-furnished with built-in wardrobes and a calm, homely vibe, a perfect space to unwind after a long day. An apartment is part of a well-maintained, gated community, so you feel safe and secure. Peaceful neighborhood, ideal for families and working professionals, that offers top-notch ambiances like swimming pool, gym, children's play area, clubhouse, party hall, parking for both two-wheelers and four-wheelers, power backup, lift, water supply, security with CCTV. Then, nearby locations are IT hubs like Bangalore Tech Park, Phoenix Mall, metro station, railway station, schools, colleges, hospitals, bus stop, etc. Now let's talk about rental details. This luxury 2 BHK flat is available for rent at just 35,000 plus 5,000 rupees maintenance per month with a deposit of 2 lakhs. If you're ready to move into this beautiful space, contact this number or WhatsApp this number and subscribe J Rental Property for more rental updates. Bye.